Hey guys, it's Gen Z Trader, and today's video I'm going to be talking about what are candlesticks. Now, you guys are seeing a chart of basically the price, the current price of gold. So where you guys see this green line where it says 946.03, that shows the current price of gold. Now, underneath or where that green line is, there's a white rectangle or square looking thing at the very first one you see at the very left of the chart, or the very right, the far right of the chart, and that is called a candlestick. And basically a candlestick is something that shows the movement of the price. It shows the past movement of how price has reacted, you know. So basically it shows you where price was at certain times, and you can also look at it, you can see where it was the previous day, the previous week, and the previous month, and you can see the candlesticks. And if you really think about it, all of those rectangle things, those things that have like these that look pointy and stuff, they actually do look like candlesticks. Like they look like a candle, like kind of like a birthday candle. You know how like they're long and you put the fire on it? Well, it looks exactly like that, and that's why they're called candles, cuz that's the shape of them. Another way people use price or see price is that they use either bar charts or they use line charts, okay? So I'm going to show you guys an example, and I'm going to turn my phone around. So where it says, I'm going to go to where it says settings. I'm going to go to charts. There's a bar chart, right? I'm going to show you guys a visualization of the bar chart. So this is a bar chart. It's not like one of those long line bars, but it's like, this is a visualization of a bar chart. I don't really use this that much as a trader because I'm more so of a candlestick trader, and it's a little bit easier for me to recognize patterns. So this is a bar chart. You guys are like, what is this? I don't really use this, so I'm not going to go too much into detail about it. And then there's also a line chart. So there are a lot of traders that also use line charts. I don't really use line charts either because it kind of confuses me a little bit, you know? But it's pretty interesting, and I haven't really looked at line charts all like that either. But basically all the line is showing you is just where price was at that current point in time. And also, you guys might notice that there's certain dates at the bottom of the screen. So you guys might see like October 5th, 20. And all that's saying that was the time. So in trading, the time frame is UTC, right? So it's basically in UTC time. And I'm not for sure what UTC time is. I mean, all I know is that this is just that was just the current time of where the candlestick was. So that's basically what the bottom explains. It just explains the time. If you see on the far right where the numbers say 1792.80, 1825.50, that is just basically the price range. And that's going to show you the range of where the price is, the price of a certain asset is. So you guys are currently looking at gold against the dollar. And this is where the current price of gold against the dollar is. So it's at 96.03. Okay, so that's what I really wanted to talk to you guys about is what are candlesticks and how is it used in the market, right? And like just basically what are candlesticks, right? Because a lot of you guys might be like really new traders. You guys might not know certain terminologies. So I'm dropping this video to give you guys a certain terminology of what certain things are. In fact, if you guys want more of a visualization, I'm going to go back to where the candlestick is. So when they say candlesticks, I'm gonna do a visualization for y'all. So when they do candlesticks, I'm gonna circle it for you guys so that you guys understand what it is. So when they say candlesticks, they mean so where that triangle is, okay, I lost it. Let me get something else. So where the line is what, okay, I'm gonna put two zones. So where that line is touching, that white, where it's like in between that white line at the far right, this whole thing, right, from here to here, this whole thing is a candlestick. You know, this whole thing is a candlestick. And so what you're seeing here is multiple candlesticks from previous days and weeks and months. That's basically what this chart is showing you. And that's really what I wanted to talk about today is what are candlesticks? And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Also like this video and share this video for anyone that may want to get into trading. And have a great day, you guys. It's Gen Z Trader. Peace.